what's inside this one. Ah, yeah. There's a bit of silver. Thin vein, but it's nice looking. In calcite, the gray being the host rock. Here's one that broke off the host rock. It has a touch of silver in there. Old mining winch. Here's an old mine building. Want to go inside? Let's take a look. Ooh. Looks like it was camped out in for a while. Rest in peace, Stan. Huh. Oh, there's an upward level. That's kind of cool. I guess that's why this box was here. Step there, step there. Somehow or another we jump there. Huh. That sounds all right. Look at that, might just be on the surface. What you got? Oh! There's silver right there. There was a bit of vein here, so a touch of shiny here and here along here. When the vein tried to develop, almost nothing in this big section of rock. It does get slightly better. That was part of the vein just on the edge. You can see a smattering in through here. Little tiny bit of silver, very thin vein. This is probably the best piece. The vein on the outside, but on the inside, boy, it's small. Shows the power of these detectors that it can pick up that little bit of vein. See, it's shiny right there. Just a touch. Another target? Which one are you? Okay. Yeah, that looks like pyrite right there. Hopefully, this is a thin vein of silver that extends into the rock. This looks to me to be a touch of galena. And big iron stain. It must have been a hot rock, so mineralized enough with iron to confuse the detector. That might be junk. The numbers bouncing around. But such a solid signal, we have to see. It's an old brick. Well, water's right here. Cobalt for sure. That's the pink oxidation. I'm guessing There's more to this rock than just cobalt, but that we'll have to look at later. See what it contains. This one broke while being cut and doesn't have a lot of shiny inside. I would call that a cobalt arsenide. And always check your hole. There's more iron. Oh, see that? Let's take that out. Calcite for sure. And nothing in it. Marginal in that. It's not that. It's not that. Let's try this. This wee one is a bit better. At least you can see the shiny silver in there. So that's silver in calcite or dolomite. That's not what's the strong signal. There's a screamer down here somewhere. I wonder if it's that one. I see pink on it. I normally use a pinpointer, but my battery died. There's something in that rock, I think. Rock was too big for my saw, so I cut one little slab off. Nothing in it. And then I just decided to smash the rock. So here's the big thing that we got. Looks like gold, eh? There's a little flake of it. Let's see what it does. Good indication. That's pyrite. It's all through this rock. So that is a wipeout, unless of course you like pyrite. But that's not the strong signal. Still something else down here. Make the hole a bit bigger. This one has calcite. Pull that one out. Let's see if that's the rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a heavy, heavy rock. Nice number. We'll take those back to the truck right now. Who's got a rock? Who's got a rock?
It's all dirty, man.
Oh, I know. I should go wash it. The weight's about 5 pounds. Definitely cobalt in this rock. It does have to be sliced. Heavy rock, but it's pretty gray inside. Almost solid metal. I think it's like this all the way through. Now that would shine up or polish like chrome. Well, it probably contains some silver. I think a majority of that is cobalt. So, the rocks we pulled out. was a target here. There we go. There it is. A 1 is usually cobalt, iron. I see iron here. I'm not seeing cobalt, or plates of silver. Well, we'll cut it up, see what's in there. Well, this rock turned into a big disappointment. Nothing in the nose. Here's a little spot of silver. My goodness, that's small. And here, oh, that's from my saw. Paint off the blade. That one's for the rock garden. Always check your hole. This one just rolled in just now, I think. Yeah, nothing in that one. Might be junk. Let's dig it out. I'm curious as to what is down here. There's a stain in that rock. Right there. That'll be it. It's locked in by these other ones. Took them out. There we go. That's locking it in. It's a heavy rock. We'll check it out with the detector after. There we go. You can wiggle it, and you can normally get it out. It's being held by that one. I got my hand around it. There we go. Come on. Come to Papa. Let's see if that's the one. Oh, I see calcite. Actually, I see a brick. That's not it. Take that out. Ah. Iron bar. Our hole is done. No, it's not. But at least you're not being interfered by that piece of iron. Let's just stick the stuff up here. That might be it right there. Something's there. Let's try that one. Nope. So it's in my hand. That one. Why do you want to bet that's a piece of coal? Cool. And we're done. I'll show you again the best sample that I got on this metal detecting adventure. Murphy's Law. I found it and cut it off camera, but it does show some nice little bits of silver vein in calcite. Perhaps let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Alternatively, what I could do differently. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. The adventures will continue. Bye for now.